What's up, guys? Welcome back to Road to the 2 Comma Club. Justin here, and in today's video we're going to talk about why Tesla really laid off those workers. As you guys probably have heard already, they laid off 7% of their workforce because they're trying to cut cost. And one of my favorite YouTubers for Tesla, Galileo, I'm going to link in the description for a video he made talking about this. He goes into great detail talking about the letter that Elon Musk wrote to his employees and explaining why they needed to cut costs and stuff like that. But in that letter, Elon Musk left out a big detail, and I think Galileo missed this big detail. And so I want to add to the discussion and let you guys know why I think they really laid off those 7% workers. Before I go into it, I just want to remind everybody what motivates most people to do everything pretty much in America, capitalist society. It's money. So, you know, most people, we need money to live. We need money to buy things, so we have to work. We have to do things we don't always want to do because we need money. Businesses definitely need money because money is like their fuel. They need money to keep going, and Tesla really needs the money now more than ever because they've raised enough money. I don't think a lot of people are just tired of them raising money. I don't think Tesla wants to raise money anymore. Elon Musk has said on more than one occasion that they don't plan to raise money anymore. So why did they lay off the 7% workers? And here is the detail I think Galileo left off, because in his video he said he wasn't sure why they did it. It didn't make sense to him, and I think this is the reason why. So let's just get into it. So I'm going to post a screenshot here talking about, again, keep in mind, money is the motivator. Just keep that in mind. Tesla has $920 million in debt that's coming due, and it could wipe out a large chunk of the company's cash. So they have a loan right now that's due March 1st. It's $920 million in convertible senior notes. Convertible means that it can be converted to shares of stock, but it's a conversion price of $359.87 per share, which means Tesla stock has to be trading at that price or higher for them to be able to convert that loan into shares. That's what Tesla wants to happen. If they can't get their stock price up to that amount, they have to pay back the full $920 million in cash, which it says in this article would be about a third of the company's cash if the stock price doesn't improve. So this is what's looming over them, and this is also why they ended the referral program earlier than they were supposed to. It was supposed to end, I think, in March, and they're ending it now February 1st. So again, why are they doing that? Because they need to save money, and they really want to cut costs, because when you cut costs, it adds to your profit, adds to your bottom line, which can boost the stock price. So I think they're really making a push right now to push their stock price. I know, like Galileo said, you shouldn't be doing that. You shouldn't be focusing on that. I agree with him 100%. But right now, they do need to do that because you don't want to lose a third of your cash at a really pivotal point in your company's history right now. So that is why I think they're doing that. They're trying to ramp up production. They need to get those costs down to get more consumers wanting to buy the car. But most importantly, they don't want to have to pay back this $920 million. That would throw a huge monkey wrench into their operation, and it could slow them down a lot, and it could just be very detrimental for them. And so that is why I think they're doing that. And yeah, I'm just going to end the video there because there's really not much else to talk about. Everything else that I would have mentioned, Galileo mentioned very elegantly in his video, talking about the customer service and all that stuff, which I agree. Everything he said I agree with. So I'm just going to link in the description for his video. Watch that and then watch my video to supplement it so you can get the full picture. And I think you guys will have a much clearer picture of what's going on. And I personally think Tesla stock is on sale right now. That's why I picked up another call option for Tesla, because they were down a ton today. And so I try to take advantage of that because I think that's the reason why. And I think if they can pull it off and get that stock price up, then I think they'll be okay. And I'm not worried about them in the long term. So anyways, if you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. If you're new to the channel, thanks so much for watching. Again, my name is Justin, and I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and we will see you in the next one.